Mike Tindall, 44, has just launched his very own range of Budgie Smugglers, with all proceeds going directly to Cure Parkinson's charity. The celeb star has shared a snap of his limited edition range, which he revealed his team had been working on while he was in camp. This left the rugby professional to set the record straight on his royal wife Zara Tindall's exact role in the wardrobe item. Mike shared a short video on Instagram in view of his 443,000 followers, showing off his latest venture. The video started with a clip of him talking to Good Morning Britain's Richard Arnold, who quizzed him on turning the Budgie Smugglers into a business venture. Richard said, "Mike, obviously speaking, who's ripened into the third and final act of his life. Will you be launching a range of your own Budgie Smugglers that perhaps even I could pull off?" Mike laughs, "I've actually just shown the room a pair I might have knocked up already. 2 pairs of trunks are available, with one having a leafy green patterned background and the other featuring a more scenic print of the jungle skies. On both pairs, the front has Vanilla Mike emblazoned across it. The back of the blue pair reads, 'These are not my wives,' while the other reads, 'Nibble my nuts.'" The royal captioned the post, "The team have been busy while I have been away. You can now order a very limited edition run of GBR Nibble My Nuts and These Are Not My Wives Budgies at Budgie Smugglers. All profits will go to Cure Parkinson's, at Cure Parkinson's." Many social media users rushed to the comments to express their gratitude for the kind gesture. Linux1690 said, "Fantastic charity, Mike. Well done in the jungle, should never have left before that ball bag. Anyway, back with your beautiful wife." Sick, my_Amariskitagram added, "Thank you at Mike_Tindall12. My dad has Parkinson's and will be 86 this year. Thank you for helping to raise money to find a cure. They are being sold for £35 per pair and profits go directly to Cure Parkinson's to help power their research in finding a cure for the disease." Mike caused quite a stir during his time in the jungle as he sported a pair of barely their bright tropical trunks for a dip in the camp's creek. Winner of the series Jill Scott told the Bush Telegraph at one point that not even the freezing water could stop the royal from putting on his skimpy swimwear. She said, "It's freezing in there, the creek, but nothing stops Mike from turning up in his little Budgie Smugglers. Has got a few different pairs from what I can see and has getting more confident, showing them off daily." Many, including Ant and Dec, joke that the bottoms may be his wife's Zara's due to their incredibly small size.